Are you tired of searching questions on Google only to find either no answer at all, several different answers that contradict each other, a super simple answer when you wanted in-depth information, or an overly complicated answer when you wanted something quick and simple? Well, don't you worry, because now there is questionwiki.com. Go ahead, ask your question on there and wait for the answers to flow in. However, it is more than simple asking and answering of questions. The Question Wiki community will work together in order to organize information for learners. Each question asked has 6 tabs. A simple wiki for the learners that want simple and quick answers. An in-depth wiki for the learners that want to become nerds on that topic. Users can create sections here in order to better organize information. Ooh, nice. Personal answers. This is where users answer the question however they want. The wikis will focus on objective information, while these can be biased, just like you would see on Quora. A discussion page. This is where the users can discuss anything related to the question. They can even ask more questions based on that question if they don't want to make it an official question. A page for user edits to be reviewed. This will show any edits that have happened. If a troll posts bad information, it will be recorded here to make it easy to undo. And last, a help tab. This is the page for any user that still cannot find the answer they need. There will be 2 sections. One section explains common confusion when it comes to that question. The second section tells you what you can do if you still couldn't find an answer, including more websites to check and specific people or threads to ask for help. To summarize, questionwiki.com will make learning online quicker and easier. Just need to find funding first. I can't do this on my own, man. Send help. Thanks much.